Welcome to Super Top. In today's video, we're diving into two of the most talked about smart cat litter boxes, the Meowant Automatic Litter Box and the Litter-Robot 3. If you're tired of dealing with cat litter and want an automated solution, this video is for you. Don't forget to check the description for the best prices on these products. Now, let's jump in and find out which of these two litter boxes reigns supreme. Similarities. Self-cleaning functionality. Both the Meowant and Litter-Robot 3 offer self-cleaning features, which automatically scoop and separate cat waste from clean litter. This means you can say goodbye to daily scooping. App control. Both litter boxes can be connected to their respective apps, giving you the ability to monitor and control the litter box remotely. They allow you to track your cat's activity and receive alerts about litter levels or waste drawer capacity. Odor control. Each product is designed with odor-reducing features. Meowant uses an automatic opening and closing cover with a scented gel, while Litter-Robot 3 employs a carbon filter to help neutralize unpleasant smells. Cat capacity. Both options can accommodate multiple cats, though the Litter-Robot 3 is suitable for up to 4 cats, and the Meowant is ideal for up to 6, depending on their weight. Ease of cleaning. With both units, the waste compartment can be easily emptied and components are designed for user-friendly maintenance. Links to the best prices for both products are in the description below. Differences. Power and safety sensors. Meowant has an integrated safety system with 10 high-precision sensors that monitor your cat's activity and pause operations if necessary. Litter-Robot 3 also uses a weight sensor to ensure the litter box only begins cleaning when your cat exits. However, it's specifically designed for cats weighing at least 5 pounds, while Meowant offers a lower entry point for cats of all sizes, including those with limited mobility. Build and design features. The Litter-Robot 3 comes with additional accessories like a ramp and a litter trap mat to minimize litter tracking, and it's equipped with durable, impact-resistant materials. Meowant focuses more on providing a quiet experience with a low-noise motor and an automatic cover to isolate odors effectively. Capacity and price. While both can hold multiple cats, Litter-Robot 3's price point is higher at around $700, but it comes with more accessories. On the other hand, Meowant is priced around $400, making it a more budget-friendly option for those seeking essential features without the extras. App integration. Meowant's AirPet app allows you to track your cat's weight and defecation frequency, which can help monitor their health. Litter-Robot 3's Whisker app provides similar monitoring and alerts you when the waste drawer needs emptying, offering real-time updates. You'll find the links to the best prices for both products in the description below. So, which of these automatic litter boxes should you choose? It really depends on your budget and specific needs. If you're looking for a more affordable option that still offers great safety features, app control, and a whisper quiet operation, the Meowant Automatic Litter Box is a solid choice. It's user-friendly, provides good odor control, and is suitable for a range of cat sizes and ages. However, if you want advanced features and additional accessories like a ramp, mat, and customizable alerts, and you're willing to invest a little more, the Litter-Robot 3 stands out with its durable build, efficient cleaning process, and multiple add-ons to improve your cat's experience. Ultimately, both offer convenience and cleanliness, helping you spend more quality time with your feline friend. Don't forget to check out the links to the best prices for both products in the description. Remember to like the video, comment, and activate the notification bell. See you at the next Super Top.